Yo, it keeps happening time and time again. And people are not gonna listen to me. I don't know when people gonna start listening to me, bro. The releases that we've been seeing, like the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic and the Flu Game 12, sneakers that you didn't think will get a lot of buzz, a lot of attention, and all these crazy things happening. It is going to happen for the Air Jordan 4 white cements. That hype is at an all-time high right now. You seen the day on the JD Sports app, people trying to, confirm pairs, exclusive accesses, crazy glitches, and all that good stuff, which we're gonna talk about today. But the Air Jordan 4 white cements might be a little bit tougher to snag than a lot of people think, and the release probably gonna go a little bit differently than we all expected. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one. But I had to come on YouTube and talk to you guys today about what we seen happen today for the exclusive access that we did see. You know what I'm saying? You guys know Finish Line, JD, they do the whole exclusive access a little bit before the drop. It's about a week and a half or 2 weeks before the drop of a sneaker. And again, the white cement fours have been the talk of the year. Like literally, all the releases up until this point, people said they passed on those sneakers just for the Air 4 white cement. So just put that into consideration when you try to lollygag, get you a pair of the white cement 4s. It ain't gonna happen, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up, man. Every single like, counts. It helps the channel grow and it puts in the algorithm, man. So hit that like button. Let me know how your experience went today. And all out the way, let's talk about these Air Jordan 4 white cement. All right, guys. So currently on, your StockX's, your GOATs, your eBays, wherever you buy your sneakers, they are starting to dwindle down in terms of the resale value. But again, that happens to almost every single sneaker that has released this year. And one sneaker, point in case, which I wish I would have, hopped on as soon as I can. I should have jumped on that resale price, was the Air Jordan 1 High 85 Breads. It dropped down to like 360, and I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger, but now they're back up past $400. I don't know why I didn't pull that trigger. Some told me to do it. I was gonna go down a little bit more, but it didn't. But of course, the black metallics, the flu games, the Air Jordan 4 white cements, those regular GR releases that we have. Again, of course, the resale is going to drop, but do not let the resale dictate how you're going to put your energy towards these joints on the release date. And I always keep looking back at the flu games, and I keep looking back at the black metallics, how the resale dropped under 300, and everybody was like, oh, it's gonna be an easy cop. And people were just waiting for them to sit to call them bricks, and the next thing you know, you didn't see them joints anywhere at all. And the reason I keep bringing up the flu game 12 is because the same thing happened for the flu games when the whole app was glitching. You couldn't confirm pairs, you couldn't enter for them anywhere. That same thing happened for the Air Jordan 12 flu games, and the same thing has happened today for the Air Jordan 4 white cement. So you guys can let me know which one you think is more nostalgic. Which one is better? The Air Jordan 4 white cements or the flu games? You put it up however you want to put it up. But I do think that, it could be even equal or more. It doesn't matter. But now the hype is around the Air Jordan 4. And people are calling these the best Air Jordan 4 of all time. Some saying this is the best sneaker of all time. There is a lot of hype around these joints right here. And I think it's all due to, it's all for good reasons in my honest opinion. But again, this release is going to be wild. So I need y'all to put y'all footwork in, y'all leg work. And if you do end up taking an L, be ready to pay to play, you know what I'm saying? Because I do think once pairs fly off the shelves, once it's hard to get pairs online, once the FLX app is bugging out because they just got bought out by somebody, then you're gonna know why it is hard to get, because you ain't put that extra, extra leg work in to get them things. But again, me personally, I've seen this happen, bro. I've been collecting shoes, been buying shoes, been on YouTube for so long. I've been seeing some of the same stuff happening for certain releases. And it's always those OG colorways. It's always the Air Jordan 4, especially, the white cement that have always gotten so much more attention. This is like the Air Jordan 11 of a year in my honest take, you know what I'm saying? Even though we are getting the gammas this year, which I'm super excited about, this is getting that same type of treatment in terms of random people. And I'm not saying random to put like a bad, rep on their name, but just people that don't buy shoes regularly are going to come out trying to buy these Air Jordan 4 white cement. Just watch it, bro. Just watch. Maybe y'all go listen to me one time, but it's definitely going to happen. It's even crazy when I showed you guys the pickup I had the other day, the Air Jordan 12 Mellows. People was like, you know what? I wanted them, but I passed on them so I can get 4 pairs of the white cements. I said, bro, that is crazy. But I feel you though. The white cements is a classic sneaker, and I can even see myself getting 2 or 3 pairs depending on, you know, if I can get them off retail. I might even do it myself because I put in a lot of footwork. I put in a lot of hours and miles on my pair. You guys can see, bro, I have a lot of character. They yellowing, they creasing. And when I did see the pair that's releasing this year, I showed you guys earlier on the channel, show you guys in B-roll as well. They did not have the tumblers of leather, which we've been asking for a long time. I just don't think they want it to happen. But over time, the leather does get better, I must say. But all in all, I do think they could do a little bit better in terms of the leather quality. But y'all see it, bro. I put in some damage on these guys right here. Y'all can be the judge of it, man. Y'all can be the judge of my pair of Air Jordan 4 white cement. But y'all let me know down below in the comment section how your pairs is looking. If you got them from the 2012 release. I think they released in 2012, 2016. And of course, we are getting them in 2025. So that was a, bro, hold on, 2016, bro, that's almost 10 years we ain't got them. So again, bro, people are coming out trying to get these things, just like the French Blue 12s, just like the Air Jordan 11 Gammas, the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, Black Metallics, all of these releases that have been released in almost a decade. People are gonna definitely put that legwork towards, and I'm just being honest with you guys. So please do not sleep, be prepared, be ready for the drop when it does come about, because I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be different. I can't wait to see you guys' comments on the release date. You already know we're gonna go up here and do a recap of the release. But I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Run the likes up. I'm always gonna say your boy, The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.